Good evening, everyone. I wanted to give you a very quick tip for when you're writing your research paper and you're down to the final uh, uh, parts of it when you're getting down to your works cited page, right? So I want to teach you a trick. I understand that Professor Eaton and the library and myself told you not to use Google, and that is correct. You have better sources, but Google does have some tools that you could use too. So let's just say that you don't know how to cite a paper because a lot of us make mistakes when we're um, getting the works cited page ready. I do know that I've taught you one resource, right? I've told you guys to go to the OWL Purdue page, and then you can write works cited, and that takes you directly to that page, right? Um, if you visit this page, it'll give you the basic rules, which are not too different from what I've been telling you. It also has examples, but I want to show you something else. Let's just say that, for example, you cited the Mejia Gershu Smith article about Latinas, and you quoted it, but then you don't know if you're citing it correctly, right? Well, here is a trick. You can go to Google Scholar, right? So that's scholar.google.com, right? And then in there, you can enter the title of the article. And here I'm just going to enter Mejia Smith Latina or Latina College, and that's it, right? And this is the article that we read. It popped up. You guys may recognize it. You can open it to see if it's the same article that we discussed, and it is, right? But the interesting part is the tool that I want to show you. So if you look over here on these little quotation marks, similar to what you had in the library page, okay? You can also do that in a lot of the like JSTOR databases and so on. But here on Google Docs, right, you have this cite. So you can click on cite, and here's the MLA citation already styled for you, excuse me, with the quotation marks for the article's title, the italics for the name of the container or the journal, the volume, and so on. So what you can do and what you should do is to hit copy. And then when you get to your Word document, right, you make sure that you paste it, but you keep the original formatting. Because if you just paste it, you may just get everything without the italics, without the right spacing and so on, right? So when you click and you format it into your paper, you keep this formatting, and then you adjust later for indent and whatever. At least this way you can do it. Okay, so that was my quick tip. Okay, Google Scholar can help you in that sense. If the library page databases didn't give you that citation tool. Okay, so citation tools are interesting. Okay, that was it.